Hey, what's going on, guys? So for today, I will show you how you can generate 16 by 9 landscape image in Artlist AI. So let's start. So first, log into your account, and from here we can go to AI Toolkit. Now, once you're here, make sure that you chose image, and you can also choose which AI model you want to use to generate. And here you can click on this button right here. And from here, you can select your aspect ratio. So you have 1 by 1, 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 4, or 16 by 9. Now select 16 by 9. And also you can select the quality. You can have 512px, 1K, 2K, or 4K. And also you can choose the number of images it will generate. So you can have 1, 2 until 5. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.